Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to briefly summarize what we learned about combinatorics in this part of the course. Okay, we use permutations with variations when we must arrange a set of objects. In such cases, the order in which we pick them is crucial. The major difference between the two is that in permutations, you always arrange the entire set of elements in the sample space. For instance, we would use permutations when we need to arrange the 4 runners we have already chosen for our relay. We have 4 runners and 4 positions, so we rely on permutations. If, however, we had to pick 4 out of 6 people on the team and then decide who runs which leg, we would require using variations. Alternatively, if we only care about which 4 out of the 6 runners made it into the team, we would be dealing with combinations. In this instance, we do not care who runs which leg, so order is irrelevant. Perfect. Another important topic we discussed is that there are 2 types of variations and combinations, with and without repetition. When we explore those without repetition, we see a clear relationship between permutations, variations, and combinations. The number of combinations equals the number of variations divided by the number of permutations. That is because we count all the permutations of a given set of numbers as a single combination, but as separate variations. We also define formulas we use to compute their values. P equals n factorial. V equals n factorial over n minus p factorial. And C equals n factorial over p factorial times n minus p factorial. Recall that these formulas change when we include repeating values. V bar equals n to the power of p, and C bar equals n plus p minus 1 factorial over p factorial times n minus 1 factorial. Great. Furthermore, we talked about how combinations are symmetric. Choosing p many elements out of a set of n many elements can be done in the exact same way as choosing n minus p many elements. The reason is we can reverse the problem and actually choose the elements to be omitted. So far, we've studied a significant amount of probability theory. In the next section, we will deepen our knowledge by learning how to deal with multiple events, introducing you to Bayesian notation, independent and dependent events, and how to compute the probabilities for these events. See you there, and thanks for watching.